Hey everyone, welcome back to Powernation. Today we're checking out one of the most extreme Mustangs ever built, the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD. This isn't just a beefed-up street car, it's a street-legal race machine inspired by Ford's GT3 track car. It's packing a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that cranks out a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower, all sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast shifts. What's wild is that it's rocking a rear-mounted transaxle, a first for any Mustang, giving it near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution. The handling is next level thanks to a motorsport-derived semi-active suspension with adaptive dampers that respond in real time to how and where you're driving. Braking is equally serious with massive carbon ceramic rotors ready to handle whatever you throw at them. The exterior is aggressive and purposeful, built for aerodynamics and performance. There's a massive active rear wing, functional front splitter, carbon fiber panels, wide fenders, all designed to improve downforce and cut weight. And yes, that titanium exhaust sounds as mean as the car looks. Inside, the GTD stays focused but not stripped down. You get Recaro bucket seats, a digital instrument cluster, and the latest sync infotainment system, giving you a race-inspired interior with just enough comfort and tech for the road. Price-wise, you're looking at around $300,000, and it's not just expensive, it's exclusive, with limited production numbers making it a collector's dream and a track monster in one. So, the big question, is the Mustang GTD worth the hype? With its race car DNA, brutal power, and stunning engineering, it's not just another Mustang, it's a whole new level. Let us know what you think in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review here on Powernation. Catch you next time.